Hello everyone. So I just want to do a little correction from yesterday's video. I thought that the price increase in the US on the Model Y was for all versions, but it turns out it's just the base model. So we see here the US Tesla website. However, it does qualify for the full incentive now, so still a great deal. And unfortunately, Tesla has ended the upstreak. The trading day upstreak was 13 days, but yesterday, unfortunately, it closed down just slightly. Tesla shares were down 0.74% yesterday, closing at 256.79. And during this streak, Tesla shares rose by more than 40%, boosting its market value to roughly $814 billion. The gain in market capitalization during the run came to nearly $240 billion, or more than the entire value of Japan's Toyota, the second most valuable automaker worldwide. So this is a common comparison to compare Tesla to other automakers. There's analysts who have said that Tesla has nothing that Toyota doesn't have. I think his name might be Craig Irwin. I think it's not a good comparison. Tesla has their feet in a lot of different areas. Their DNA is much different than a traditional automotive company. To me, you're comparing a company that I see as potentially going bankrupt, their valuation, to a company that has a very bright future. So to me, yeah, of course, the market capitalization of Tesla is massive compared to a company that its future has got gray clouds over it and may not even survive the decade. To me, that's obvious, and I don't think it's a fair comparison. I guess, yeah, you want to have something to compare it to, and you can't really compare Tesla to other electric vehicle startups. Other than, I guess, the closest one would be BYD is, I guess, the best one to compare it to, BYD in China. But even they're not the best comparison, as they're not pursuing as deeply into things like full self-driving, as far as I know. And they're also into hybrid vehicles, and they did make internal combustion engine vehicles in the past, if I remember correctly. So even there is not the best comparison, but still maybe the best comparison for Tesla. I would say, yeah, Tesla's in a league of their own, and to think of it as just a car company, I think, is missing a lot of upside for Tesla, and missing what Tesla actually is. And the last bit of news for Tesla is France. France wants Elon to build a Tesla factory in the country, even as it threatens Twitter ban. So a lot of countries trying to woo Tesla into building a factory there. One of the videos I watched yesterday, I think, made a good point regarding the bureaucracy that would be involved in setting up a plant in France, similar to the headaches they had in Germany, I would say, which to me would make it seem that France is less likely of a place where Tesla would set up a factory. But Elon did take the meetings, so I guess he's considering that. Maybe if they offer, the right deal, then yeah, they would take it. Tesla would take the deal. But if I had to bet, I wouldn't bet on Tesla building an automotive assembly plant in France. Same as, I don't think Canada is going to be the next place either. Same thing there, too much bureaucracy. Maybe some kind of mining related operation in Canada. I could see refining lithium, maybe. A lot of nickel in Canada. So that's it for this one. My name's Evan Bertrand. This is the Evergreen channel. Give the video a like if you liked it. Subscribe by clicking on the wheel in the bottom right. And thanks for watching.